All right, y'all. So I am going to be cooking some meatless linguine. Yes, this is some whole wheat linguine, as you can see right here. And it is whole wheat. So when you go to the ingredients, there is no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, no sodium. And it does have 4 grams of sugar, and the carb grams is pretty high. I believe it is actually 39, but it's only 1 gram of sugar, and it is no added sugar. And the protein is 8 grams right there. So anyway, seems to be pretty good. I mean, anything in the box is not always healthy. I already chopped up some bell peppers. We got the green, the red, and the yellow bell peppers. And I'm about to throw that on into this pot. I'm going to add a little bit of some olives in there. Because again, this is meatless. There will be no meat. Hubby is over here. He is peeling some carrots. We actually, when we're juicing, don't like the skin of the carrots. It just kind of gives it kind of like a dirt taste to me, so I just kind of prefer them peeled. We got some dragon fruit, apples, oranges, banana. We got a mini watermelon, some celery, and some beets. And he is going to juice this, and we're going to drink that along with our meatless spaghettis tonight. So we're going to come back and show you how this dish comes out very shortly. All right, y'all. Get a gourmet kitchen.